Hey guys, I'm gonna try to see if I can do a recording here. And I was speaking with my sister-in-law Cynthia today, and she was thinking that this iRacing PC game was VR, and I haven't been playing it VR, but today, I have all the VR gear, and I think today we're gonna try to set it up. So we got a first time VR experience here. I'm gonna go ahead and share that with you. Let me work on some stuff here, technical. See if this is... We'll have to see what the recording looks like. Let's see, hopefully the screen moves with me. So it looks like on some distance my home screen floats. How much time do we have left? Got a little bit of time. Alright, let's see if we can tell you what, let's practice. Hopefully we don't mess anything up. Okay, already this is cool, right? It is literally, there's my pit crew, there's my truck, there's my armrest, there's my arms, right? And there's my shifters, my accelerator. Alright, let's see. Let's try to get out there. Hold on. Here we go. There we go. Pit speed's 45, so we can gear up a little bit. But you can see what's different on this one. It's like being there. Gonna let this traffic go on by. Let this truck shift. Try to stay out of trouble here. All right. You can see they're hauling butt. Whoa, we got a wreck I just avoided. It's probably going too wide. We're at the Phoenix International Raceway here. PIR. Alright, so the truck's sticking pretty good. Hugging that wall alright. Oh, a little sloppy. A lot sloppy there. Getting adjusted to the VR version here. This guy's going to try to follow me. I'm going to give him the space. Give him the inside track. Alright. A lot of courtesy. Whoop, looks like he's losing control. Maybe I'll pass him on the next go around. Got another truck behind me. There are a lot of good drivers here. My goal is to outlast them. Let's try to catch up to this cat here while not burning my tires. Let him get aggressive. I'll stay consistent. And get on his tail. It's going to make him a little nervous. Let the guy pass. I kind of hugged the curb a little bit. These guys are trying to figure out what to do here. Oh, I'm running a little hard. Not holding my line. Try to hold that line. Got a bit of a wreck right there. Oh, avoid the car. Alright, I'm back on him again. We're just gonna kind of float around this circle here and get comfortable. He's gonna lose it. We're gonna get by him. There we go. That's the advantage of VR, my friends, right there. That is the advantage. It's like driving in the truck. I'm gonna come into the pit. We're gonna check out a little bit of replay here. Wow, look at that. You have a full sense of presence. Where the heck are my guys? My guys are gonna be all crazy bananas. There we go. Alright, let's check these guys out. Let's kind of look around the truck here. Look at that. Got my window. They're giving me the all go. Alright, that's awesome. Alright, let's kind of do this here. I'm going to step out of the truck. Let's kind of review what we did here. I'll give you an idea of what it looks like. That's me in the Corona truck. That's the blimp. See all of Daytona? And there she be. And there it is. Now from here, I mean, I could look behind me. It's like riding a roller coaster. Alright, let's get inside. Now here, like I said, with VR, you've got full 360. Alright, here we go. This is me sitting on the passenger side, watching me drive, like literally in the back of the truck. Chevrolet. Oh, I'm sitting on the roll bar. Literally in the back of the truck. My suspension. I could check my tires, make sure I'm not bouncing too much. And I can look all the way back here. Stretch of the neck. In the cockpit, which you were. Let's see here. Just to kind of give you an idea of what's going on here. And then we'll switch this to most exciting. We'll switch this to roll bar. It's kind of a tough seat in the back here. Guy's getting loose on him. There he goes. That can make you a little nauseous. Get back in the cockpit here. Well, that guy just got hit. You can see that guy. Goes off the side. All in all, we did okay. There's me going steady, right? That's my motto. playing. Hear my brakes squeaking. And that's where he loses it. And because I had VR, that was probably the most effortless crash avoidance I've ever done. Alright. Enough of that. I don't know when the race is going to start, but we'll just keep driving until they tell us to stop. Thanks for the pit, guys. Let's get out there. Well, it looks like it's starting. So let's go through the motions here. Try not to get hit. Hold on. Excuse me. All right. Let's take this to the qualifying lap.